Well, guys, summer is almost here and it's time to tackle this yard. My chica wants to work on her garden, so I partnered with Wild Badger. They send out a weed whacker and a leaf blower combo. So we're going to see if these products can help us tackle this yard and also her patio. All right, guys, let's get started. You can see, guys, this product did its job. It cut around a flower bed, which I don't think is strong as the plug-in version. But for it to be battery operated, I thought it did pretty darn good. And for the price, you can't beat it, especially for a combo. If you like this product, the link will be in the description box. And again, thanks Wild Badger for showing this product.